high temperature furnace from AHP Plastik Makina that is used for ash content testing. It's actually a 2.5 liter capacity high temperature furnace capable of reaching the temperature of 1200 degrees centigrade, and alongside with the machine you will have a desiccator, sample boat, a sample the boat gripper, and the boat clamp, and all accessories needed for the ash content testing. Coming to you with digital PID temperature controller, digital timer, and it's working like this.